Installed new coil and still no spark.
Hello and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is XXXXX I will do my very best to get you the answer you need to your question. How are you today?
Okay.
Could I get you to double check your model numbers? I am unable to pull up your mower with the numbers you posted. What brand is your engine?
Kohler CV16S.
Thanks. Did you set the gap between your new coil and your flywheel?
Yes to .10.
Okay, that is good. Here is what I would like for you to try. Remove the black wire that plugs to your coil and try checking your spark with this wire unattached. This is your kill wire.
Okay, what should happen once disconnected?
This wire will eliminate the possibility of a safety switch or a bare wire preventing your coil from producing a spark. If your coil produces a spark with this wire unplugged, then our problem is somewhere else. What are you using to test your spark?
Just touching it to ground. No spark still.
Before you unplug your wire, try putting about a tablespoon of fuel in your carburetor and see if your engine will start up and shut down immediately.
Okay, when I pulled plug out it was saturated with fuel. But I will try this.
If your plug was saturated with fuel, remove your plug again and spin your engine over a few times to rid it of the excess fuel. Have you tried a new spark plug?
Yes, brand new this spring.
Okay. Have you tried starting your engine with a tablespoon of fuel yet? Dry your spark plug before trying this.
No, should I choke it when starting?
Leave your choke open.
But I still don't have any spark when checking it to GRD. Why should I do this? I think it is something else. Or are you trying to eliminate something else?
The purpose of this was to eliminate other potential problems. Have you already unplugged the wire that attached to your coil and checked again for spark?
Yes, no spark.
Thanks. What about the magnets on your flywheel? If you hold a screwdriver about an inch from the magnets, will the magnets draw the screwdriver strongly to them? Also, did you check for rust on your flywheel magnets?
Yes. Yes, removed some rust.
I feel that you either have a faulty new coil or a faulty spark plug. With the wire unplugged from your coil, there is nothing to prevent your coil from producing a spark. When you unplugged this wire, you disconnected all of your safety switches and the ground circuit from your ignition switch.
What voltage should be coming from the wire to the spark plug?
There is not a set voltage range. May I suggest something to you?
Me dumbass just realized I put coil in upside down. Do you think that might make a difference?
Yes, it will. That was what I was going to suggest, that you double checking to make sure you did not put it on upside down.
Flipping over right now.
Okay.
Guess what? It started right up.
Bingo. Very good.
Just wanted to ask, when my problem started with my mower it would shut off when hot, would not start, and it would backfire trying to restart. Is this all due to the coil?
Your problem could have been your coil failing when it gets hot, or sometimes this problem can be caused by the fuel shutoff solenoid on your carburetor malfunctioning when it gets hot. Give your new coil a try, and if you experience similar symptoms after your engine heats up, check your fuel shutoff solenoid. By all means, let hope your coil solve the problem.
So if I still have problems, the next step would be the solenoid.
Yes, you are correct.
Okay, thank you. How can I contact you if I have any more problems? You have been helpful.
You are very welcomed. I will send you a follow-up that will link you back to me if you need me again. It was a pleasure working with you to figure out our problem.
Okay, one other. Sometimes when starting motor will spin and all of a sudden stops hard. Was that due to the coil or a starter problem?
I would have to look up your engine to be more specific, but this can be caused by your valves being slightly out of adjustments, a battery that is not fully charged, or if your crankcase has a little too much oil. Check for missing teeth on your starter or flywheel.
Could it be dead spot in my starter? Starter will engage and then just stop. Release key, then try to restart, will start starting and will start. All teeth are good.
That is very possible. Starters are sort of expensive. I would take it to a local starter shop and have it tested just to be sure. Most automotive starter, generator repair shops can test small engine starters.
Okay, thank you. You have been great help. I'll keep in favorites.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.